Alright, so we are Yab, Ula, and Ivan, and as yourself, we are part of the human species. That means that we live and evolve under the sun. Alright, and this actually comes with a lot of problems, the UV problems. You know, with global warming and so on, UV become like a real huge deal. And picture it like 2025. It will be even more a huge deal. And even, I don't know, World War III, nuclear attack, I don't know, we have a lot of radiations and so on. This is for the future, and even today, we have a lot of people with melanoma, or vitiligo, or moon children, or albinos, or even old people. They have to kind of hide from the sun. And this is the main problem we wanted to deal with. And we wanted to do so using the microbiome. Because you were born and you live and evolve with a microbiome on your skin. 1 trillion of cells, of bacteria on your skin. 200 different types of cells on your skin. And we came up with this project of a second skin that would protect you from UVs, from beta and gamma radiations, but not X-rays. We don't want to mess up with body imaging. And that would be awesome. You would have a normal on your body based on your microbiome. That would be your second skin.
So, inspired by the findings on biology, this very performing yeast called the Cryptococcus neoformans that was found in the growing on the walls of Chernobyl reactor that is actually resistant to radiation, the radiation alpha, beta, and not X-rays. So exactly the properties we wanted to integrate in our bacteria. So as you see here is we took the gene from this yeast and we injected it in the plasmid coming from a bacteria, and using as a vector the bacteria coming from the human cell. As you know, we have different kinds of environments in our skin. We can categorize them in 3 categories, like a dry, oily, and moist. So we can imagine that we take 3 types of human bacteria living on skin, and we inject the plasmid, modified plasmid, with the capacity to protect, to actually feed on the radiation, and then these bacteria we would integrate it in a soap. We create a kind of construct with the soap. We have the prototypes over here.
He's gonna pass it like
to show you the prototype of the soap. So it's a kind of box made from the soap that inside in the soap you put the bacteria with their environment milieu, when they can grow in the medium. And you can imagine you fabric the soap, you put on the lid the date when you put the bacteria in, and by which time it will be ready to put on your skin. You can go to the next slide. So this would be the soap that would be rich in nutrients. Like after antibacterial soap, there will be soap with superbacteria that will protect that. And with the next slide. And when we put it on our skin, we will become resistant to the UV and the radiation, so we'll be protected. That's why we call it second skin, because you use the biofilm to protect yourself, to protect your skin. And next slide. Yeah. And you can imagine that, of course, the color is just to let you imagine how it will look, because it will be transparent. But generally, the idea is that
it is the spreading of bacteria.
Yeah, just bacteria. Once you put it, probably you would put it again once a year. But generally, the bacteria, because they are taken from our skin, they will be naturally adapted to live on the skin and to stay there and not to be washed up at every shower. So that was our idea of the second skin.
The end.
No, it's the end.
Alright.
Okay.